Hello mga kaibigan. So for today, I have a job and simple lang. I just need to remove a couple of isolators for heat pumps, I believe. So dito ako sa loob ng plant room, basement plant room. Na sa Lokuya, maraming works na ginagawa dito. You can see all those pumps being removed. So, ito yung pinatatanggal sa akin. Tanggalin ko lang tong isolator na to. Tsaka, ayun. Actually, inuumpisahan ko na yung isa. So, yun lang. Of course, kailangan natin i-check kung patay na ba itong supply nito bago natin i-disconnect. Mga pumps. So actually, itong isa naka-disconnect na sa pump. Tanggal na yung pump. Binuksan ko. So hindi ko pa chine-check kung may power pa ba ito. So I'm just gonna check it first before disconnecting. Okay, so lang ng power, so disconnected na to. Yan. Pagmintin nyo, wala ng power. Ayan, na-disconnect ko na tong wires papunta sa pump. Now I can disconnect the feed. Guys, disconnect ko na. Pero syempre di natin iiwanan na open to kahit alam ko na patayin yung supply. Best practice pa rin. Just put a wig on it so it's not left exposed. Ayun, job done na. Alright guys, dito naman tayo sa hot water pump number 1. So again, we're just gonna disconnect or take the isolator off just like the first one. Ito nga pala guys ay makikita nyo, it's 3-phase 415 volts. Yan guys, natanggal ko na tong sa pump side. So yan guys, disconnect ko na. Wala, nuhugutin na lang natin tong armored cable. Yun, tanggal na. Okay. Tanggal guys. Ito muna natin mga wego. And that's it. Okay, yan yung dalawang cables guys, armored cables. So kinoil ko lang muna dyan. put cable tie, and then actually yung isolator tatapon na, hindi na papakinabangan yun. And ito ring pump na to, yung lumang pump nakakabit, ano na rin yan, tatapon na. So dadala ko sa recycling area. By the way, ito na nga pala yung bagong pump. So yun yung kinabit nila nung nasira yung dalawang lumang pump na yun. I think nasira yun siguro nung binaha ito. So ayan, dalawa. So they installed new cables as well inside that metal trunking. And then pakita ko sa inyo yung control nito. So ito yung tinakbuhan guys ng armored cable na yun. So alin dito sa mga armored na to is yung lumang feed cable na pumunta dito sa control. So itong control niya, yun pa rin yung ginagamit niya. Ayan o, pump number 1 and pump number 2. Mali yung pagkakasabi ko kanina, hot pump ang sabi ko. It's actually hot water pump. So that was just a simple job guys. Medyo matrabaho lang yung pagtanggal ng armored cable dahil kinalawang na yung plant. But easy job. So again, till next time. Tatambak lang natin dito yung guys. And that's it. Oh. Wow. Yan na yan. Then kukulik yan for recycling.